Okay, we're finally here.
Hey, we're here.
Hey, get the luggage.
Whoa.
Oh,
Get the luggage.
got the luggage.
Good.
Get your luggage.
Okay, you guys can come out. I'll get the dog. Because the dog has the leash on.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, I'll bring the dog
Rest
over
of you
here.
people, get out the back. Get out.
Get him out the back.
Okay. Back. Oh, me too. And a dog food.
Where did the dog go?
Guys, Scoodle was in here.
Okay, I'll take my bag off and go
Okay.
look inside. Okay.
A dog. Come on.
Okay, so I got a camera. And we could take selfies.
Look, guys.
Selfie
The
time.
luggage. This here luggage nice. Let's go to the camping thing.
You can go first.
Okay, you can go first. Ah, get it in.
Oh, the dog.
Ah,
Come on, go. Can you grab the dog because she wants to get inside.
okay.
Oh, I'll get the leash off for me.
Yeah.
Okay, Lola, you go inside. I actually want to go inside first.
Okay, get in there.
Whoa.
Get in there.
Come on, Lola. Let's get inside.
She's just gonna. Okay, coming, Lily. Look at the luggage, guys.
Wow.
So cool. At the back.
It's fun.
You can do it down low.
I'm going to put
Down,
the
low,
thing
down,
around
low.
my neck.
See what's inside.
Ooh, okay.
got
Did
this,
anything leak
got
inside?
this.
Okay, whatever.
That's it. What we got?
Okay, I got...
Look at this.
come on,
Look at
is this open?
So cool. And the neck pillow. You can fit the doll in.
Oops.
I think you can fit the doll.
Okay, got a phone. Guys, I got the phone.
Fit the doll.
And I got an
Look how pretty she is
iPad.
now.
I got an Apple iPad, an Apple phone, and an Apple laptop. And I got some money.
Oh, Fluffy. Come here. Come here, Fluffy. Fluffy, don't run away. Somebody grab the dog. Somebody
Oh,
grab.
I need to get the dog. No, I get the dog. Yeah, pull you. Ah, I got you. Oops, sorry.
Oh no. Where is the face mask that we sleep with?
Oh, I think it's by the car, by the wheel.
Oh.
I
Okay.
think that's where it
The
is.
dog. Well, the dog is going to go get it by itself.
Oh, I got a backpack. It has a unicorn on it. I love unicorns.
Okay, I think we want to go on the camping. Okay, guys. I think I want to lay down in the tent.
Yeah, I do too. It's getting a little dark.
Yeah.
And I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Did we even pack any snacks?
Oh, I think. No, we didn't.
Yes, we did. Yes, we did.
Yes, we did. We can order some pizza. Okay, guys.
We can order some pizza.
Yeah.
Well, I just put the phone away and stuff. I think we'll do it later.
Yeah.
Like in there. Why do I still have the camera on me? Okay, everybody sit down for a selfie. Everybody sit down for a selfie.
Eee.
Your diaper's falling off.
The diaper's falling off.
Put your diaper back on. Okay. Selfie time. Say cheesy cat.
Cheesy cat.
Okay, everybody got a picture. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna put all the stuff away and go to sleep.
Yeah. That was very. Oh, it's
That was
very
a really good picture, I think.
Yeah, we need.
Yeah, I looked at the picture. That was a great
I'm
picture.
starving.
Yeah, me too. Can we just order some pizza?
Yeah, right.
Come on!
The dog wrapped itself with the collar. Oh, why did the dog do that? Why did the puppy just tie itself with the leash? That's kind of funny. Wrap, Hello.
I would like a half pepperoni and half plain cheese, please. Okay, bye. Phone fell out of my hand.
I'm just gonna lay in the tent.
You're laying in the tent already?
Yeah, because
What?
I'm gonna lay down. It's so hard work from
Good
being
job.
at work.
That was a good
Wow.
one.
That was the first one.
Wait, did you already put the pillows in there?
Yes.
Okay, I'll stick everything back in here.
Ah!
First, I'll take a selfie.
Ah!
Okay, I'm done. Okay, come on, get in there, camera. Guys, we have to put the bags inside the, Callie, you forgot your sleeping mask and neck pillow. Can I have your neck pillow, please? Because I don't have a pillow. Thank you. Yay, I'll put it on.
Oh, what are you doing with that? What are you doing with that?
Okay, well, I'll just stand up and get this. Oh, I think the pizza's here. Oh, the pizza's here. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Oh, I'm tired.
That pizza was good. Yeah, it really was. What was your favorite kind? I think it was just cheese. Mine was the pepperoni. Mine was the cheese.
Guys, I think
Mine was the bacon dog treats. There is no bacon dog treats one. Okay, whatever. What is that? Whatever. Guys, are we just gonna leave the bags outside?
everybody in the tent.
Okay, we have to get the bag. I'm going to carry this bag in. I think this one's too heavy for Lola.
Let's go in.
Okay, got the drop the luggage. Hey, Callie, you forgot your sleeping mask again. This is the second time you ever did it when we were camping. Okay, I'm just gonna sleep like this. I don't want to smell you guys' feet though. Okay, close it. Who's gonna close the tent? I am.
That was all the pizza that we got.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. Night, night.
Night night.
Sleep tight.
Tight. Zombie Mistress! If you like this video, subscribe.
Okay, I got some money inside the bag.
Come here.
Phone.
Do anything to you.
I'm going to keep it safe inside my bag.
What was that, Tober?